Hello everybody, I would like to show you some basic information about the oven HBG6750S1. So it is an oven from Bosch. I would like to show you how to change the time, language, some basic information. If you already bought the oven and you want to change it, it can be confusing. One way how to change the time or language is that you disconnect and connect from the power supply, and then you will get a setup menu automatically. Or second way how to change the language or the basic information is that you have to press for 3 seconds this I button, and now you are in the menu where you can change the basic setup. So press this one, press once again, and now you can change the language, for example to English. So I'm searching Espanol, English. Okay, the second setup or second step in setup is change the time, but I will keep it because time is correct. If you want to change it again, just turn with this roller, or how to call it, and now I will just go through the whole setup, and on the end I have to store everything. So if you want to store the setup, just press again this I button for 3 seconds. So, and the settings are saved. In the next part of the video I would like to show you some interesting features of this oven and its pyrolysis. So now I will open the oven to check how dirty it is, and on the end of the video we will show you once again what will happen with all this so on the end of pyrolysis we will show you what will happen with all this mess what is inside. Okay, so to switch on pyrolysis you have to press this magic button, that one. There is possibility of choosing the level. So level means how dirty your oven is, so the highest level means higher temperature, higher duration. So we will choose some, for example, middle level. Okay, and now just press the button start and the pyrolysis will start it. Okay, so there is written they have to remove everything outside from the oven because it will be burned, and it is started automatically. So, and after door is locked and activated, you can open it here, and so after 1.5 hours we will check what will happen with all the mess which is inside the oven. So now the pyrolysis is over, and all dirts and mess which was inside the oven, which was before black, it was oil, are now changed into the white dots. All these white dots, it is oil which burned, and after this pyrolysis oil was changed to the ash. You can see it is now this white ash, and you just need to take a towel and clean up the whole oven from inside. So, and you don't need to use any chemicals to clean up because it is really easy to remove. So thank you for watching.